What I would say to a small business, heck, any size business, large or small, that doesn't use social media, I'd say, why not? So I'd ask them, why the heck not? They'd tell me. They don't believe in it. They don't have time for it. Maybe they just don't know how to use it. And I would say, make the damn time. Seriously, give it a shot. Over time, you'll believe in it. Because over time, you'll see results. But you have to give it time. Success doesn't happen overnight, pretty much anywhere. Anywhere you try to do business, any way you try to do business, it takes time, and it will on social media too. So let's be honest. But if you put yourself out there, day in and day out, over time, people will follow you. Over time, people will like you because they'll see you for who you are, and that's a big point. You need to be authentic. You need to be genuine. You need to be transparent. You give people a look behind the scenes at what you do. And if they're interested in what you have to offer, if they are interested in what you have to offer, because they've seen you and they feel like they know you, the likelihood is they will do business with you.